Today we'll focus on Europe. Let's start with Netherlands. It's English speaking, so that's one of the advantages. It's a 2-year program, right? Many other programs in 1-year programs in Europe, like UK and Ireland, are 1-year programs. So if you're looking for a 2-year English taught program, Netherlands is one of the top locations you look at. A good university rankings and good job market out there. So there are 3 types of universities: research universities, applied science, and the last is international education. So they are more for exchange programs. So there will be a lot of programs like say Erasmus program or an EIT, where you do 1 semester in one college, 2nd semester in another college, 3rd semester in another college. So basically you're just trying to get the global exposure and moving around. Again, different universities have different areas of specializations. You can just quickly go through them on the slide. I'll give you a minute before I go to the next page. How does the application process work? Again, you have September, February and a summer intake. Let's predominantly, when you look at the September intake, usually November 1 is when the application forms open up. So before November, you want to be ready with everything, your exams, SOP, LOR, etc. And the moment the application forms open up, you can apply. What we have seen so far in some universities, you apply in November, you might even get an early admit in December. So I recommend applying early in November if possible, because many of them are on a rolling basis. People do apply between December, Jan, Feb, but I am a strong proponent of early application. You will get an early decision. So if you apply in the December, Jan, Feb range, you will get your decisions by March, April. You pay the first year fees and then you apply for your finances, you pay the fees, apply for the visa and work on that, and then you fly in August and September start. The application process, some universities accept directly for international students, and for some you have to apply through a study link, which is an online portal. Majority is you apply directly, but some you will have to apply through study link. GRE and GMAT is dependent on the university and the course, so you will have to check it on the website. How does the visa process work? So there are 2-step process. First, you get an entry visa, which is a very easy process. Once you get the entry visa, you get a 6-month period, you go there, and once you are there, you apply for the residence permit. It takes 2 weeks to do all those things. It's not that difficult. There will be people to guide you through that. What are the documents required for application? So this is usually for masters and PhD applications. IELTS, TOEFL is compulsory. GRE or GMAT, like I said, will be dependent on the university and the course. You will need your mark sheets, transcript, degree, certificates, diplomas. Fill out the forms, essays, letters of recommendation, resume. Then your applications, criminal case hai, or if you have medical test and all is something you will have to undergo once you go to Netherlands. What about the costing now? So the average tuition fees will be anywhere between 8,000 to 20,000 euros per year, varying from college to college. At a higher level, maybe if it's a 2-year program, anywhere between say 16 lakhs to 40 lakh rupees. So some of them are expensive, some of them are cheap. This is an average tuition fees. Keep in mind, for some programs, for example, architecture could be cheap, pharmacy could be expensive, computer science could be expensive, law could be cheap. So this is just giving you an average idea per university. From a visa and a payment point of view, you have to show 862 euros per month. So this is how the breakup would be, So you can go anywhere between 860 to 960 euros per month. My students over there have told me that Indians can scrape through and, you cook your own food, you live not so lavishly. You could be done in 600, 700 euros per month also. What is an applying for a work permit orientation? Orientation here means after you graduate, you have 1 year to hunt for a job. That's called orientation year. So you apply for that visa when you graduate, the university will help you out. So basically you can stay for 1 year and hunt for a job. In this time period, you need to find a job that pays you minimum 2 to 28 euros per month. Once you do that, the employer will file for your residency permit and take care of all other things. So this is the bare minimum salary you need to work, and people will end up getting it. If at a master's level, it's not a problem at all. How do I find a job in Netherlands? Obviously, you want to network, build your profile. You need a cover letter for every email you sent out along with your resume. LinkedIn, career fairs and networking events. So just like Germany, you will have career fairs happening city-wise. So you'll find people traveling to different cities to attend various career fairs. Job market and salaries. So this is what we are looking at, the average salary in the Dutch job market. Again, the director amount is very high because you are by default having at least 5 to 10 years of work experience. But this is what an average salary would be. Again, it will vary on a case-by-case basis, how well you perform in the interview, work experience, the college you graduate from, etc., location, etc. What are the perks? Great work-life balance, great. So Christmas you cannot work, all offices are closed, so chilled out. You also get a holiday pay. They pay you 8% of the salary as a holiday pay. Go and spend on your holiday, right? Obviously that's given to you in your salary. That's, from your salary, if the overall amount looks high. You can work from home time to time, and this was even before pre-COVID. Once you have a PR for 5 years, you can keep on renewing it. And once you have a PR, you can leave Dutch if you want and go anywhere and work in the Schengen except for Ireland, Denmark, UK and Switzerland. So why is it preferred? A 1 year stay back to hunt for a job, safe, English speaking 2-year programs. And people over there love to cycle. The moment you land there in the first 1 month, you'll have to buy a cycle. You will be cycling everywhere. That's how it's over there. You are just cycling all over the place.